This video, I'll be showing you how you can change the margin of your files you are working on Microsoft Word. So you can see this file entails 11 pages. You can see here a lot of pages for tutorial purposes. But I'm going to show you guys how you can change the margin for the whole pages and also a single page. So now let's come here to our home and let's start with a single page something. So I tap on this page. I'm trying to work on this here. So I tap on this here. You can see the cursor. And now I tap on my layout here. Good. And now what I need to do is, you can see margin here. I tap on the margin here, and this is already at normal. And let me choose narrow. Good. And you can see it has changed. So only this file has changed. This hasn't changed. This is not changed. So I can select this, which is more wider, and you can see a lot of spaces around here. You see these ones have not changed too as well. So that's it for how you can work on the margin. The reason why you see this here is because of the pages and the words are a lot, so it moves to the next page. That's it. So when I revert it, it fits well, so there will be no problem with this page. So now let's work on the whole pages. So Ctrl+A to select everything, and now you move to your margin here. And now let's move it to, which one did we choose? Yeah, so it was this rather, and you can see it affects the whole pages. Now let's try to revert it to have the Ctrl+A effect. Now we choose wider. Good. And you see it affects the whole document, so the pages have changed from 11 to 15. So that's it on how you can change or adjust your margins on your file on Microsoft Word. Let me move it to normal. Yeah, this is normal, or I think this is okay. Yeah, good. And it affects the whole pages. So that's it on how you can adjust your margins on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on Microsoft Word. You can check that out on my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.